Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixelLab, select the text option, edit by writing. Select the size, adjust the size. Select the font option, adjust the font. The stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color. Then change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. Then adjust the writing to square. Change the color, different letter of color. Change the background color. Select the color option, adjust the color, and then copy the writing, so the copy option. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.